Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You know the Christmas season is here. We're making some pepper pot and we need our bread to eat with our pepper pot. So today I'm going to show you how to make plait loaf bread. But before we get started, please don't forget to hit the like button, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let's jump right in. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using today. Here I have some all-purpose flour, whole milk, yeast, salt, sugar, and some melted butter. Super simple. So to my warm milk, I'm going to add the sugar as well as the yeast. Mix well and set aside to proof for about 10 minutes. Now add your butter to the mixture, give it a good stir, and we'll go ahead and pour this over top of our flour. I did add my flour to my stand mixer along with the salt, and we will slowly get it going. We will add that wet ingredient and mix until you form a super soft dough. You will mix it for about 5 to 8 minutes. After about 8 minutes, I will now remove my dough from the mixer and place it into a separate bowl where I will allow it to proof for an hour until it doubles in size. If your dough is a bit too sticky, you can add a little flour to allow it to come together perfectly. Once our dough is doubled in size, we will now go ahead and just release the air from inside of the dough, and we will flour our surface and get ready to separate them into 3 equal parts. So once the dough is separated, you want to go ahead and just roll the pieces out into like a log shape. You want to roll it out into about 18 inches or so, and repeat that same step with the other 2. Once they all are rolled out, we'll go ahead and start to braid or plait the pieces. Now bear in mind, it does not have to be perfect. Bread is very forgiving, and once it proofs and it bakes in the oven, it will come together perfectly. So don't beat yourself up. We all are home cooks and we're trying our very best. So once we are done, we will place this into our loaf pan. You can use whatever pan you like. You don't even have to use a loaf pan, but I choose to do that today just to get like something different, because I always place it on a cookie sheet, and today I just decided I will do a loaf bread instead. So my pan is buttered. We will now cover this and allow it to proof again for about 30 minutes or so. After about 30 minutes, you want to now place your bread into a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes, my bread is looking and smelling absolutely divine. Oh my God, I can't wait to dig into this. So now we will just go over it with some melted butter, and we will allow it to cool off completely before we slice into it. And let me show you the perfection on the inside. And now the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's just slice into this goodness and see what it looks like on the inside. It was pure perfection, guys. I almost ate the bread out with butter, and I did make it to eat it with pepper pot. So yeah, it was that good, and I can't wait for you all to try the recipe. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. It really helps my channel out a lot. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day and enjoy.